Hey guys, Roman here from Urban Treats. Today we are making chicken burgers. These are absolutely easy to make. They will take you 10 minutes of preparation and you can enjoy these amazingly delicious cheese chicken burgers. Let's get started. So first we're going to add half a diced onion, 1.5 teaspoons of sweet paprika powder, 2 garlic cloves, which are minced, 2 chicken stock cubes, which I've minced a little bit so they dissolve easier. I also have here half a teaspoon of pepper, 2 whole large eggs. Okay, and we're going to season all this a little bit with a bit of salt. And now we're going to combine all this. I'm going to use my hands. Just make sure you wash them very carefully and get it all in there. We're using about a pound of minced chicken, which is going to yield approximately 6 burgers. Okay, so now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs. And if this is a little bit too runny, you can add a little bit more breadcrumbs. I think this is going to be just fine. So next we are going to shape our burgers. And if you have a burger press, then that's great. I don't have a burger press, so I'm using this little cake form, which is actually a perfect burger size for me. And I've also cut out some sheets of parchment paper, which are going to help me stack the burgers, so it's easier to put them in the pan when it's time to sear them. Place your form on one of these parchment papers and then fill in a good amount of burger meat, like so, and spread it out nice and evenly. Press it down. And the spring form is quite handy because you can just release the side of the form, like so, and you have a perfectly shaped burger. So I'll set that aside and we can actually stack these because of the parchment paper we're using. So let's go with the next one. Here we go. Place a good amount of burger meat in here. Press them down and make them nice and firm. Release the form. So we are now going to prepare our hob and we are going to sear them in the pan. Now I'm going to cook my chicken burgers in the pan. You can of course grill them if you want. So I'm going to add a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. There we go. And we're going to heat that up to a medium heat. And as soon as your oil is hot and ready, we can add our burgers. So once your burgers are nice and done on the one side, you can flip them around. And we're going to let them cook for a few more minutes until they're well cooked all the way through. Now that the burgers are cooked, we are going to place our burger buns into the pan. And we're gonna let them sear a little bit. They're gonna absorb all the nice flavors of our chicken burger and they're gonna be nice and crispy on the inside. So to finish off our burger, we are going to slice a little bit of tomato, a few pickles. We're gonna add some lettuce, some tomato ketchup and some mayonnaise. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you leave a like. If you have any questions or any suggestions, make sure you leave a comment. My name is Roman, you've been watching Urban Treats, and I'm back next Wednesday with more delicious recipes. If you want to be up to date, make sure you subscribe and ring that bell button. Thank you for watching.